Hey fam, welcome back to my channel. So today I'll be cooking catfish and yam pepper soup. I started off with washing my catfish, and catfish is always so slimy, so I'm washing it with lemon. You can also use alum, put it in alum, soak it for some time, and then all the slime will go off. You can also use hot water, pour hot water on it, and all the darks, you can see the way I'm doing it, all the sliminess is coming out of it. And yeah, here is my angel, my husband, helping me to cut the yam and all of that. Thank you so much, angel. And here I'm blending the pepper mix, onions, habanero pepper and all of that. And this is me putting the yam in the pot. Okay, and I've just poured in the pepper mix, and pour water, put in the spices that is needed, all the pepper soup spices, the oziza, the oda, all the mende for the pepper soup. You gotta go. So yeah. All right, fam. At this point, my pepper soup is ready. Like, looking so yummy-licious and sumptuous. Like, this pepper soup tasted so yummy. Like negodu pepper soup, negodu catfish and yam pepper soup. Thank you so much if you watched up until this moment. I really appreciate. Please like my page for more. Thank you so much. Bye bye.